Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. I got an unboxing here today of the M18 Inflator. Get out of the plastic. Alright, I already did a review on the M12 Inflator. This is just the bigger version of that model, the M18 version. So here it is. It's a little bit bigger, and it should have all the same options on it. It's got some bigger feet on the bottom. On the back, you have your cord that's wrapped up. Just wraps up like that, and you have, it already has a spot on it to screw onto your tire or whatever you want, and you do have a needle to pump up your basketball, any sports thing like that, or see, I'm getting back in there. You got this attachment here to blow up like your inflatables, your rafts, things of that nature. And I'm not sure what this one is. I always forget what it is. It is a Presta Chuck, whatever that is. So those are your adapters and your cord that is housed right there. Goes right in there, like that. And then on this is where the battery goes into the front here. You go ahead and pop a battery in there. Just flops right in there like that. And then cover off. Alright, and then if you turn it on, okay, it's got a brighter, better screen here than its M12 version. As you can see here, it's got this top part's your target PSI, and the bottom is what it would be at if you had it hooked up to something. And the only thing, you can use the plus and minus to set your target pressure, and then you'll plug it into whatever you're pumping up. Hit the pump up button here, and it will pump it up to that until it gets to the desired target pressure. It also has you can go by different units. Right now it's PSI. It can go to KPA, BAR. Not sure what those are. So we'll turn it back to PSI, and we'll go pump up some tires. All right, so you go ahead and turn this on. Then you screw this in. All right, it tells you right here you're at 32, and I want it to be at 35. You just push the plus button until you get to 35. All right, now we're ready. You just push this button. Now we're done. That's all it takes. And then we unscrew it. Turn off the power. Wrap up the cord. And put the guy back up. Okay, so that's it for this M18 Inflator. I like it a lot. Right now, there's a deal going on at Home Depot. I think this is usually $179 tool only. But they have a deal right now. You buy this 5 amp hour starter kit for $199, and you'll get the M18 Inflator for free. So check it out. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.